Welcome back to Miss Letter's Calculation Station where things add up. Today we're doing Chapter 10 Quiz Review. Alright, so the first one is balance billing, and you're going to take the yearly cost and divide it by 12 months. So we've got $1,882.56 divided by 12, and every month you'll have a bill for $156.88. Number 2, we have a hot water heater for $1,100. It's going to save us 36% a year. The old one costs $510 to run. So let's see here. Let me find the hot water heater in my notes. So how long will it take to pay for itself? I'm going to take my percent times the electric bill. So we have 36% times $510. So the savings would be $183.60 a month in savings. And then you're going to take the cost divided by savings. So it costs $1,100, and you're going to save $183.60 every month. So we're looking at 5.99, or we could just say 6 years. Number 3, the national average is 180 minutes per day for a water heater to run, 4,200 watts of electricity, and we have 11 cents. So we have 180 minutes, which would be converted to hours. So we've got 180 minutes divided by 60 minutes a day, looking at 3 hours a day times watts. So we have hours times watts. And what are watts? 4,200, which is 12,600. Divide that by 1,000 to get the kilowatt hours, and that is 12.6. And we will multiply that by 11 cents. And our hot water heater costs us roughly, I'd say $1.39. So $1.39. Jessica leaves on 4 light bulbs. That requires 75 watts to run. She leaves lights on for 150 minutes. 9 cents per kilowatt hour. How much does it cost to leave the lights on in a year? In 1 year. So let's find out how long they're left on during the day. So we'll divide that by 60 minutes. So we're looking at 2.5 hours a day times, where's the kilowatts? Or sorry, the watts, times 75 watts. So we're looking at 187.5. Divide that by 1,000. And we're looking at 1,875 times 9 cents. And I'm thinking it's about, 2 cents to run a day? Times 365 days. So about $6.16 a year that you could save by shutting off the light. All right, last summer Anna charged $838.35. It's for 9,315 kilowatts of electricity. What did her company charge per kilowatt hours of electricity? So we're going to have to go backwards. All right, so we'll start here. All right, go ahead and cross off number 5. That is not a test question. Let's go ahead and flip it over. How much time do we have left? 2 minutes. We should be able to get this through. All right, so we want the smaller of the two numbers. This is a 910, a 45, a 12, and a 67. Water company charges 12 cents per CCF of water. Jack's previous reading was, all right. Sorry about that. We had a technical difficulty with a little bug walking around. All right, so we've got how much did they use? So we're going to take the big number minus the little number. So we have 46,555 minus 45,621. So we use 924 CCFs. On B, how much did it cost times 12 cents? And that would be $112.08. Number 8, Ron's electric bill. It's the same thing. How much did he use? You're going to take the big minus little. So 50,361 minus 49,356. So we used 1,005. And that's times 0.095. So it's just less than a dime. So it costs $95.48. The coordinates of the cusp. The cusp is x comma y. This is your x. And that is your y. Number 10. What's the cost for under 750 minutes? Well, under 750 minutes is $40. If it's greater than 750, then you're just going to plug it in right here. So we have 40 plus 0.35 parentheses 900 minus 750. So we're looking at 92.50. And we'll try to squeeze this in real quick on the last one. $55 a month, 500 minutes. So we have $55 a month plus 19 cents for the minutes minus the first 500. We want to know when it's equal to the unlimited plan. You're going to distribute and you get 55 plus 0.19 M minus 95 equals 85. Combine like terms and I get 0.19 M minus 40 equals 85. So all I did was 55 minus 95 gave me negative 40. Add 40 to both sides and we get 0.19 M equals 125. Divide by 19 cents and we get M equals around 650, we'll say 58 minutes. So, oops. So I rounded that up to the next minute. And there we go. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.